I'm gonna regret making this video, but what the hell, why not? So what's happening, guys? Today I thought we could build a water-cooled PC, but instead of me building it, I thought we could spice things up and let my cousin Bob do the honors.
What's up?
That's it? What's up? So a lot of you guys probably know Bob from the older videos, my longtime subscribers. He's the main reason we started the channel. And what did you just drop?
A screw. Don't worry, it's not essential.
We basically started the channel. We made videos together for I don't know how long, like a year, 2 years? How long was that? Year and a half?
So I was still in high school, 2012. So I would
Okay.
say it's about 2 years, maybe a little bit longer, 2.5.
Two and a half years that we were pumping videos, and then he left me by myself, and I took over.
So
But
you did a great job here. I'm proud of you.
look at me now, ma, 2 million subscribers. So Bob is a complete noob when it comes to building a water-cooled PC. He's never done one ever in his life, but he does have experience building a regular air-cooled PC. How many PCs have you built, would you say, in your lifetime?
Probably around 5 or 6.
5 or 6 PCs. So I would say you're pretty much intermediate when it comes to building PCs. You know where the CPU goes and how to plug stuff in.
Yeah, once you build a few, it's the same for. It's just
Pretty much the same, yeah, just different parts. Okay. Basically, I'm not gonna even help Bob. I'm not gonna even be here during the build process. So once he's done putting together the PC, he's gonna reveal it to me at the end. And I'm gonna judge your PC building skills, your water cooling build skills, obviously.
Yeah, it's a tough panel.
I'm not gonna hold back just because you're my cousin. Obviously, I'm gonna go ham. I'll be giving some constructive criticism as well. And I'll also point out the positives, what you did well in the system. So I think it's gonna be an interesting project to say the least. Are you excited, nervous, or 50-50 a little bit?
A little bit of both, yeah. I just don't want to, mess up your parts.
That is true. You're learning this at the expense of my parts. So, speaking of parts, anyways, I told you to go around the office and pick some parts out that you're going to be using in the build. We're going to be building inside the Ragitech Enio case, which is this massive tower which actually can support 2 systems inside, but we're only doing 1 PC inside, obviously. Now, to make things easy for Bob, we're going to be using a water cooling kit from Ragitech. This is called the 4Cs, I think that's how you pronounce it, and it has everything in here to build your water-cooled system.
Cool.
It's got a CPU block in there, pump reservoir combo, a 360mm rad with some fans and fittings. It also has PETG tubing, so basically it has all the parts you need for the system. Now here's the challenge, Bob. You're only allowed to use the kit inside here to do your water cooling build, along with the rest of the parts on here, of course. If you were to succeed, the slight chance you were to succeed.
Thanks for that confidence.
I'm just kidding, you're gonna do fine. If you were to succeed and you were able to build a PC, I'll let you take it home.
Really?
I'll just take it home and you'll upgrade the old PC you got back at home, which is giving you problems on rendering videos and stuff like that.
Man, that's great.
Would you think this is a nice upgrade? For your
This is
PC?
leagues beyond what I have now.
Leagues
so
beyond?
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
all right, very nice. Don't get too happy yet, because what if you fry the parts? And if you fry the parts, then. So that's pretty much all the parts we're gonna be using, or he's gonna be using in his water-cooled builds. I'm very excited to see what you're gonna come up with. Hopefully you don't burn down the office building the PC.
Or flood it.
Or flood
That's
it.
the goal, yeah.
Or flood it, exactly. Try not to make a mess in here. Yeah, good luck to you, man. How long do you think it'll take for you to build this system?
It's a few days.
Few days?
Yeah.
It's kind of late today, so probably like tomorrow.
Yeah,
by tomorrow
hopefully
it'll
I
be
get it done by tomorrow.
done? Okay, cool. So I'm gonna leave. Obviously, once you're done, shoot me a text. I'll come over. Make sure you cover the PC, that way I don't see it when I walk in.
Okay.
And then I'll reveal it and judge it for the world to see. No pressure. It's only a few
you're
million.
just getting judged in front of a few million
It's
subscribers.
only a few million
It's not a
subscribers.
big deal.
It's not a big deal. But yeah, man. Hopefully it turns out so you can take home a brand new PC.
All right, great.
Good luck. I'll see you in a day.
All right.
What follows is a brief construction montage. several days later.
All right, so she's done.
So this is it, huh?
Yep.
Are you proud of it?
You know, even the ugly kids, their mother loves. So
Oh, what?
it's a PC only a mother could love, and I am technically its mother from birth to completion. So
So something's telling me you're not happy with the build. All right, let's just do this. Let's peel off the band-aid. Let's see what you got.
all right, no, I'll do it.
You want to do it? Okay, you do it.
All right, you ready?
I'm as ready as I'll ever be, Bob. Let's see what you got, man. This
All right.
case is huge, though. I'm not gonna lie.
Wait, hold on. Let's get the full effect on it. What if it just bursts and starts leaking? So I didn't do the full bend.
It doesn't even turn on properly. What?
This happens. Give it a. There it is. There it is.
Oh my god, dude. This is, if Frankenstein were to build a PC, this would be the PC. I feel like my grandma could do better bends than this, dude. Our grandma could do better bends than this. The rest of the build it looks good, I'm not gonna lie. But what on earth, like seriously, is going on over here in this area? You know you could just use the 90-degree angle adapters. You didn't have to do any bends. Why did you do bends?
It looks better with the bends. I wish I would have done more bends and used less of the fittings. So
All right, so look, the challenge was to get it to boot, right? Without any leaks. I'm gonna check for some leaks. And if it works flawlessly. So we're gonna blow it up a game. Did you download a game or something? We can test the system?
Yeah, I got a few games on
Okay, did you overclock this?
It's like 3.8, 3.9, something like that.
3.9 gigahertz, okay.
The RAM is on the overclock.
Oh yeah, I just noticed using 64 gigs, you use both of my 32 gig kits.
Yeah.
I'm taking 32 gigs back, by the way. I'll let you choose. I'll let you keep the gold one or the silver one. How about that? Fair enough?
What if I do gold, silver, gold, silver?
No, you get to pick either gold or silver. Also, the GPU is sagging pretty bad. Like it's sagging downwards and it's sagging this
What's
way.
the 2080 Ti? I mean, I can't.
Are
do
you
much.
sure you put this on the right way?
Well, one thing about this case is this GPU wouldn't fit in because the back bracket
Yeah.
is touching the back of the PC case. I put extra standoff so the motherboard was a little further away from the back of the case. 'Cause
Oh
the GPU
my
wouldn't slot.
god, are you serious?
Yeah, the GPU wouldn't slot.
That is funny. There's like two standoffs behind the motherboard here.
I don't know if that's because of the GPU or I don't know if that's because of the case design. I'm not sure, but
I have never seen something so atrocious before, Bob. I'm sorry,
think it
man.
looks-
I'm sorry. I mean, this is crazy. Like,
I think
you
it
could
looks
even
good.
tell at the bends. Like, you probably left the heat gun. Or actually, no, you didn't heat the tubing enough, and you started bending it and it started kinking. You could tell on the
I don't
side.
know what
there.
that is. Was it kinked and it was hot? So, but I put my finger there and I tried to round it out.
You
Which-
put your finger.
Yeah, it was pretty hot. But yeah, I kind of fixed it.
All right. So, what are your final thoughts on using the kit? Did you run into any issues at all building this?
A few issues. One package side, one hardware side. So the cable that comes from the bottom of the pump that attaches to the header, the pump header on the motherboard, is too
Okay.
short.
How short is it?
It's pretty short. I mean, from there, it wouldn't reach the header right here. So
What?
it's less than.
That's impossible.
It's probably like 3-4 inches. Pretty short.
3-4 inches for the pump header cable from the pump.
Yeah. So
That's
it's
like-
definitely not. Yeah, it's like.
Why
that.
would they make it that short? That has to be like a defective. That has to be an issue there. Yeah. Overall rating.
Well,
I can't unsee this. I just can't. I don't know what's going on there, man. But I'm gonna have to take off a lot of points from that. Everything else looks good. System is quiet. I'm gonna test some games on it, see if it's stable. But I would give it a solid 6 out of 10.
Delivered.
They spotted me.
You're
I'm
in view
taking
of the
shots.
enemy.
Taking fire. Enemy down. Reloading. Thermite grenade out. Placing the portal. Portal placed. Thermite grenade out.
But let me know what you guys think. Rate Bob's build. Feel free to give him any constructive criticism in the comment section. He could take it. He's a
I'm
big
definitely
boy.
not gonna look in the.
He's a
comment
big boy.
section. I don't want.
But you know what, dude? You got yourself a brand new PC, so I think it was the constructive criticism was worth it in the end.
Okay.
So congrats on your PC. Enjoy it. Honestly, the only reason I'm giving it to you is because I don't want this anywhere near the office. I can't keep looking at this thing.
Is it like that family member you keep away from the house parties?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
But anyways, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll drop a link to all the parts that Bob used down below if you guys want to check it out. If you guys enjoyed the video, want to see more types of this videos on the channel, make sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comment section what you thought of Bob's PC.